Earlier this year, Motorola introduced the Edge 60 Fusion and Edge 60 stylus. Now Motorola Edge 60 launched globally. Motorola Edge 60 come in blue and green color. The phone is also built to be durable, coming with MIL STD 810H certification and IP69 water and dust resistance. The Motorola Edge 60 will feature a 6.7-inch curved POL display with a 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, and it will have an in-display fingerprint scanner. The screen will be protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It will run Android 15 out of the box. Camera hardware will include a 50MP main rear sensor using Sony's LYTI-A700C with OIS, and a 13MP ultrawide. A 10-megapixel telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom and up to 50x super zoom. A 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Edge 60 handset come with a 5200 mAh battery with support for 68W wired charging. Pricing for the Motorola Edge 60 starts at £380. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.